What's up? I'm going to show you how to play 24 on guitar. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Let's get started. So this song has 3 chords and they're power chords. First one's going to be pointer finger on 8, ring and pinky on 10. And then you're going to slide that down to like an E minor power chord, so open 2-2. And then your third chord is your pointer finger on 1, ring and pinky on 3. It's going to sound like this. Strumming pattern: down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you didn't quite pick it up the first time around, no worries. Just replay the video. You'll get it.